I reached an extent of losing 6 accounts in row without passing any. I had to go and I apply to be a primary teacher somewhere. But they refused to give me a job. Imagine to be a primary teacher after campus. It's a story that I'm going to give you today. If you listen it very well, at the end of it, it is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of pain. Because I passed through a lot of pain, which few people are capable of passing through in our industry of trading. You remember my story very well. When I started trading, I lost my 2,000 my sister gave me. After losing that 2,000 my sister gave me, I had to go and I started learning forex trading, because I said, if there is anyone who can make money in this industry, that means I'm also capable of doing it. And indeed, my brain and my hard work never disappointed me. I remember I read all the books that you know about forex trading. I made research. I watched a lot of videos about forex trading. Me in forex trading, I would say that I've spent 6 years, but it is like 12 years because I was working night and day. Then I reached on what we call the holy grail of trading. After mastering everything, and I said, okay, because after losing my 2,000, I had to spend almost 1.5 years when I was not pressing any trade. I was making what we call research. And I came up with what we call the holy grail of trading. So I had to buy my first prop farm ever, which was my forex fund. I remember it was it the one of 20,000, 25,000? Yes, I will check on my certificate. I'm going even to show you my certificate here. Then after passing it, I continued and I made 8,000 on it. 8,000 of withdraw on it. I was on the top of the world. I remember even my first withdraw, I had to go in Bunyaruguru. You know, I come from Bunyaruguru. Then I had to prepare karo and meat after receiving that withdraw. I had to celebrate with my ancestors. I've felt good. I've made a lot of money, but I will never forget that first withdraw. It is like a first kiss. You will never forget that first withdraw from prop farm. It is the sweetest in the whole world. Yes, but cut the story short. After making 8,000, I was on the top of the world. I was using the famous Musumari strategy. If you don't know about Musumari strategy, check on our YouTube channel. Then my friend came and told me, do you know what, son of Sam? You are using the Musumari in the wrong way. Remember, for me, I always enter my Musumari when it starts breaking the highs. Then he said, no, if it is going down, start entering there. Then when I started doing that, I messed up everything. I messed up risk management. I didn't wait for my edge to form. I could do revenge trading. I started adding on trades, the habits that made me to lose my 8,000. But I lost that account. When I pressed the trade that lost that account, I felt as if it was the end of the world. What I'm telling you guys, it is a true story. I felt as if it was the end of the world. I remember I was even walking. I took a walk and I was bending my head like this. I said, because I had kept that account for 1.5 years, I said, all my hard work has just disappeared. But God helped me. I was saving money. Yes, I ate some money, but on that 8,000 that I made, I had saved almost 5,000. The rest you know. I can't tell you. So, after losing that account, I said, okay, now I had bought account of 20,000. Now I'm going to buy the one of 100,000. I lost that account. I bought another account of 50. I lost them. I bought another account. I bought over 6 accounts, and I was losing them. Do you know all the problems started from? All those problems, they started from my friend who told me, change your strategy, start entering when Musumari is going down, and you start entering. When it is reaching up, you will be taking profit. Because it's what he was doing, then you could laugh at me. Me, I'm entering for him, he's moving out. Then I said, why am I stupid? Why can't I also start doing that? So my brain was disorganized. I lost over 6 accounts. And my 5K was disappearing. Someone who has mastered trade, someone who has mastered risk management, someone who had mastered everything. I reached an extent of losing 6 accounts in row without passing any. So do you know what I did? Remember when I was reading my books, when I was reading everything, I was documenting them, I was writing them in my black book, I was making summary. I said, okay, now I'm going to stop pressing a trade. I'm going to go back on drawing board. When I go back on drawing board, I first master those skills again that has just disappeared because of one mistake that I did to listen what my friend told me. So I went on drawing board. I had to start again for 6 months without pressing any trade. Then when I came back, I said, I'm going to follow my rules religiously or I'm going to die as a poor man. Because for me, I didn't have any other plan. Trading was only plan. Because I remember when I completed university, I had to go and I applied to be a primary teacher somewhere. But they refused to give me a job. Imagine to be a primary teacher after campus. But they refused to give me the job. So when I landed on trading, I said, it is the only thing that is going to save me. If it is not trading, I'm going to die as a poor man. Because if they can fail to give you a job of a primary teacher, what are you going to do? Of course, I had to do only one job, which I used my energy, which was what we call brick making. I understanding it. So that's when my friend invited me, come in Kampala and we start to do trading. Here we are. But what was the meaning of that story? What have you learned in that story? Put it in the comment section. But what I can tell you, the lesson I learned from that story from that day and up to today, I have never messed with my psychology. I have never messed with my rules. I follow my rules religiously. You know that? Do you know even I know that now I can even get a musumari. And I say if I put 10K on this musumari, I can make 20,000. I know I can do that. But I know if I start doing that, I'm going to mess up with my psychology. I'm going to start losing forever. That means I'm going to move away from taking my trades in the sets of 20 trades. Then I will start living and dying on just a single trade, which is a very bad thing. So guys, what I can tell you, no matter what you have been doing, no matter how long you have been following the rules, if you reach in any single day and you stop following your rules, you are going to pass through the pain that I passed through. And very many people don't come back. Me, I fought and I came back because I'm RXG. I'm in the league of extraordinary gentlemen. I'm not a normal human being. I was Rukundo, son of Sem.